How to create a restore point on Windows 11. At first, right-click on this PC icon and then select Properties. Now here select System Protection. OK. Here you can see System Protection is off. Now to turn it on, all what we have to do is click on Configure. Click on Turn on System Protection option. Click on Apply. And then OK. Here you can see it's on. Now under the Create a Restore Point option, click on Create. Enter the name that you would like to use for your backup. And after that click on Create. System Protection will start creating the restore point. Done. The restore point was created successfully. So, that's how to create a restore point on Windows 11. And if you get any issues and you want to restore, all what you have to do is, again, right-click on this PC icon and select Properties, System Protection, and then click System Restore Point. Here just click on Next. Select the backup that you made before. And then after click on Next. Here click on Finish. So, when you click on Yes, the machine will restart and create the restore point for your machine. So that's how we can do it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell. See you next time.